Hello viewers, in this video I will show how to solve Instagram login loading problem or not working problem. When try to login show this problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on hold Instagram, click on app info, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Go to Play Store, click on search bar, search Instagram, update Instagram app if available on Play Store. Make sure update Instagram app latest version. Swipe the notification panel. Turn on flight mode or aeroplane mode. Go to Instagram. Instagram login problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.